What's for lunch? I got you. I was able to buy Barramundi cutlet at the supermarket, so for today's video, I will teach you a simple recipe on how to cook it. Now, let's get started. The ingredients can be easily found inside your pantry. This is not a complicated one, so I bet you can follow this in just a snap. Aside from those, you may also need butter, but that's optional. And of course, don't forget your fish cutlet. Barramundi is a low-fat fish with high omega-3 fatty acids, which makes it a great source of essential nutrients. Now, let's start off by mixing all of the ingredients. First, you need a bowl. Now add your minced garlic, sprinkle with some basil, and if you have fresh basil, that would be great. Next, the parsley. Again, if you have fresh parsley, then perfect. Add in your lemon juice or freshly squeezed lemon. Then of course, don't forget your salt and pepper to taste. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, then mix all the ingredients together. Now, time to prepare your cutlet and spread it all over. Make sure to spread the ingredients evenly, including the sides, the corners, and everything. Let it sit for a few minutes. Let the fish absorb all the ingredients. So here's how it looks like. Now time to do the cooking. In a pan, add your oil. You can add some butter or cooking margarine if you have. Just spread it like this, melt it, now time to add the fish. Once it turns to golden brown, you may now flip it over. Just make sure to flip it with care. Ooh, I can now smell the aroma. My stomach is rumbling. There you have it! Easy, right? Now it's your time to shine. Leave a comment below if you've tried. I wanna know. So that's all for today, guys. See you next time. If you like this video, leave a comment, like, follow, subscribe. Happy cooking! Buyers!